It's National Video Game Day, and I've got a question for all of you game developers out there. Now, let's say you've just released your new game and it's getting popular. You've currently got 10 active users, but they're all very lonely. Now, the obvious thing to do would be to implement some kind of friend list. But how? So, basics first. You're going to need a UI and you'll need an API to initiate a friendship request. You need a table in a database to store the user, relationships between those users can be the friendship. You'll need a way to accept or reject a friendship request, probably a way to block requests as well, because we live in the real world and those kind of things happen. But then things get real. How do you track when friends go on or offline? How do you update that list and share it in real time? How do you keep the list private, secure, and allow it to grow to unfathomable numbers of friends beyond the initial 10? So let's just Google for the answer. Skipping over the ads and Reddit, it looks like the top recommendation is PubNub, surprisingly. Now, rather than try and re implement everything yourself, it makes a lot of sense. Just use a library that works at scale, supports Unreal and Unity. It's a no brainer. Follow us for more about real time solutions.